Good evening, friends, fellow traders, my subscribers, my students. I greet you all. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, communicating for the land of the rising sun. Today is Friday, the second day of May 2025. I want to bring you, as I do every week, the advanced method of Elliott Wave analysis. Whether you're a forex trader, that is currency, stock, indices, crypto, commodity, synthetic, whatever you are trading that can be seen on the chart, Elliott Wave is the best tool, best idea to analyze and trade. Okay, I have to apologize for those who watch my video weekly. Last week, uh, last 2 weeks and last week, I will not give you the analysis because I went to my village for funeral. I lost two of my uncles, so we visit their funeral ceremonies after Easter. So the whole of the week and the weekend proceeding to it, we are busy planning and the cash and carrying out the funeral. So now I'm back to business. Then tomorrow I will go somewhere. I'm not sure that I will have time to make a video tomorrow. That's why I'm making it this night. So I don't want to miss again to be a 3 days consecutive miss on the trading on the analysis. So let's go to the business. Okay, you can see DSY as we do always. If you're following my analysis, you must be making money. If you're following me and you are not making money, you need to do something. Maybe you need to learn. I have mentorship program where I can mentor you. You'll be able to know when to buy, when to sell, what you will see before you buy or sell, what the buy setup is, what sell setup is. So some people can analyze, but they cannot trade. So some can know where the market is going, but the entry is their problem. So all these things is what we teach you. I don't charge, I do not charge much money to teach you, and I don't charge you every month. Once you pay, you have paid. Even if you don't learn fast or you don't have time to learn all the time, even if you have to stay 2 years in my VIP channel, no problem. Once you pay, you have paid. So I made it to be flexible for those who can learn fast. You are accommodated. Those who learn slowly, you are accommodated. Those who have time to learn every day, fine. Those who have time only on the weekends, fine. So the same amount. The only difference is that it might take you 6 months, 18 months, 2 years, 3 years to learn, but the same payment. So you can join. You will see my links on the bio. My WhatsApp number, my mobile number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. You contact me. You will also see two channels for Telegram. They are all free. On that Telegram channels, I share charts, trade setups from time to time. So now let's continue this wide. This is daily chart. You can see we bought all the way from here. We keep buying and buying. The buying isn't over. I'm expecting it to still drop further. So what they're gonna do is to go down to 4 hours or 1 hour to look for sales setup. Now looking at 4 hours, I can assume that we are getting an ABC. So inside the here, we are looking for it to sell again. So between between this price zone, 100, 101, we expect it to sell again. So not yet, not time to buy DSY. It is still selling. This is correction to sell again. USD card. I want to see USD card. Give me a nice correction before selling. It is selling obvious. If you go to daily, you will confirm that it is selling. So there's no doubt whether it is selling. But the point is, remember, I show you all this. Will it break this and continue selling, or will it reverse from here? Whether it will break this or not, time will tell. Right now, what we focus on what we're gonna do, which is we have to wait for it to break this channel, this descending channel. Once it is broken, we watch out for buy. Maybe we're gonna see it around 1.0, 1.40, 1.405, 1.441 before we sell again. So don't sell from here. Even if it will drop furthermore to this lower trend line, I will prefer to miss the trade if this will happen. Rather, I will look for buy the top if it drops, but I think it will do this, then sell. Okay, that's for USD card. USD chef, the same thing. USD chef is even better. It is already, it has given us wave A already. Now, what we don't know is if this wave B will further drop to the reversal zone. It didn't touch the reversal zone, or the truncation has occurred. Whichever one, the best thing is to wait for this to complete A, B, C. Then look for sell around here and the sell. So whether it has truncated or it will drop again. As a matter of fact, if it drop again, I will like it because from here, I will go down to 15 minutes time frame and look for buy. I will buy this, I will sell this. So USD chef is selling. USD, we still buy, but it's gonna complete the correction before it will buy. It is simple A, B, C. Maybe this wave B, the wave C will likely give us 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before the buy continues. So I will be showing you daily chart on all of them because one covers all. We all know that DSY is the inverse of USD. So it will be wasting your time showing you daily chart on all of them. So watch out for this buy. If you are selling, don't be in a haste to close it. Okay? And see, I think I shared this chart in the morning or yesterday. I said around here it will sell. I think I shared it on my Telegram channel free of charge. So join my Telegram channel. You'll be getting free trades. Join. Okay? Links is on the bio. Pounds USD. I want to see it drop to this zone. So it is still buying. If you go to daily, you know that it is still buying. The buying not yet over, but I want to see it. It will correct, but it can't go one-way traffic. No, it has to go up, down, up, down, up, down. So allow it to drop, then the buying will continue. Okay, that's the bit of the trade. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, then it continues. AUD USD. AUD USD, let me show you 1 hour time frame. I want to see it drop before the buy continue. It doesn't make sense the way it is buying. I mean, I want to see what we call either an expanding flat. After this big move, ultimately, this is the least I'm expecting. If it keeps going up from here, I will leave it. You know, to trade is to trade well. When you don't see what you know that is normal. I mean, when you don't see what I don't know how to put it. Okay, when you don't see a nice setup, you leave it because if you're going to trade carelessly or trade anyhow, You may be trading and making profit, but you might be lucky. And if you continue to trade like that, time will come when you don't know what you're doing again. And when you begin to lose, you will not know why you are losing. So this is the least I'm expecting. The least is the price will drop here. If price drops here, I don't see buy setup. Maybe to do something like this and drop again. Ultimately, I want to see it drop to this zone. So, but at least this can be a place to buy. After that, a bigger drop may happen. So for now, from here, no trade from here, but drop to this zone, I will find a trade. It can be correction for another drop before buying, or it may be a continuous buying. I don't know until it happens. AUD, using the USD, using the USD, the same thing. I want to see it drop, okay, before I buy. So buying from here, I can buy from here. It seems to be like with A, with B, with C. So let's keep watching. No better top for now. No buy, no trade on New Zealand and AUD USD. JPY basket. Okay. Let me show you this daily once again. Remember last month or thereabouts, I told you that where to make money is on yen pays. I know why I said that, because I saw something you may not have seen. Where the money is on the yen page. I don't know whether I'm making money on yen page or not, but as long as this trade is concerned, JPY basket, once it is selling, yen page will be buying. If it is buying, yen page will be selling. So if this will happen, then yen page will complete their own pattern. It's making the same pattern, except USD JPY. Euro JPY, pound JPY are perfectly negative correlating with JPY basket. So let's go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY, you can see last 2 weeks before I last time you saw me, I said that this is what I'm expecting to happen. This is a daily chart. That once this happens, a big drop will happen. Okay, so and there was a buy here. I bought it. I closed it here before this correction happened. So I don't know whether you bought or not, but I share most of this as free of charge with everybody. I share this with everybody. If you are on my Telegram channel, you must have bought this. Maybe you close here or you close here, or it may still be open. Now the focus is this place. Let me go down to 1 hour. The buying is not yet over. The buying not yet over. So I would like to see it do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with A, B, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If this happens, it will be a very nice trade to take. If it happens like this, I'll be glad, because I will buy it without fear. In any case, the buying is not yet over. But before the buy, watch out the correction after this very move, because automatically, here is our invalidation, that is stop loss. If you buy here, you may be wrong or lucky. But what I mean by wrong or lucky is that sometimes the standard correction don't occur. If the standard don't occur, it may go up from here. But if the standard will occur, it will likely do something like this before it will buy again. So I would like to see this happen before I buy. Meanwhile, buying from here, stop loss here, is too far. But if it drops further, then it will balance. So buying not yet over on Euro JPY, buy not yet over on pounds JPY. Both of them are still buying. This is USD JPY. Is a bit weaker than other JPY pairs. So I'm expecting to give me a new low before it will buy. Meanwhile, let me go to 4 hours. It can go a bit higher before it will drop. Okay, so it can go a bit higher before it will drop. But judging on the daily time frame, the buy is not strong as pound JPY and Euro JPY. So watch out for a move into this reversal zone before the selling continues, because it is a clear A, B, C. And we've seen it not yet completed unless it have truncated. Meanwhile, if the market opens tomorrow or Monday and the price goes below this place, then forget about coming up again. If this happens, then watch out for sell. Okay, pound JPY, what do we expect? We expect it to give us more. Okay, let me go to daily again. So this is what we're expecting it to do. This high, 200, 202, 204, between 200 and 204 is what we were expecting. But before then, this is a daily candle. Before then, we need to watch out the lower time frame to know what we are doing, because we will likely see the market sell again. Maybe here might be the stop loss. It may drop again before the buying. So market doesn't go one-way traffic. I keep saying it. It doesn't go one-way traffic. It will keep going up and down. So now we like get something like this before it will buy again, or it will give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this before it will buy again. So let's keep watch. Don't be in a haste to buy or sell. Look for a standard trade setup before you buy or sell. To save your money, don't lose your money carelessly. Gold. Gold. Gold is buying. We know that. Daytime frame is clearly buying. Let's check 4 hours. What we'll be looking at is whether gold have reversed here or will it drop here. If gold doesn't drop here, I'm not buy. Because why? This is what I'm expecting. A, B, C. Okay? So, because why? It may be buying like this, and you think it will buy, it will end up doing something like this, drop again before it will buy. So I want to see it complete the A, B, C before I look for buy. That's for gold. Silver, remember last time I made analysis, I said that I prefer to sell silver than to sell gold. Because why? If you go to daily, silver is not as strong as gold. And because of that, when they are selling, silver will sell faster than gold. Okay? Then when it will buy, gold will buy faster than silver. So now I want to see it drop again to this zone. That is another ABC. A, B, C. So silver towards 30.7 30.2 is what I want to see silver before I will buy. So the selling is correction, the buying is the trend. Watch out for both of them. Remember, don't trade against the trend unless you want to scalp. If you're doing that, you need to be very fast so that the market will not cut you. Okay, so now, platinum in the morning when I was announcing the market, or yesterday, I have forgotten. So now, I said it will either correct, it will either give us a higher correction to, to this zone before dropping, or it will drop at the normal A, B, C zone. So it happened, it's dropping now, it will go up a little while and drop again. So as gold and silver is selling, it will also sell. Oil, remember I said that oil will go below $60 or even below 50. Now it has gone below $60. It came to 55.26, and this happened. Now it's going down again. Where is it actually heading? Can we predict? I think it's heading to this zone, 53.5, 49.1. Or maybe it may not come to it. We follow it. By the time I said it is going below 60, I see the reason why it is going below 60. If I see the reason why it won't go again, I will equally tell you. But right now, what I'm seeing here is simple. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So expect it to drop again towards 55. Okay, sorry, I didn't label it. I don't have time to label. Maybe when I have time, I build the label again. Right now, I'm so busy to label anything. Okay, so expect it to sell again, at least to give us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, I will update you. But right now, this is almost sure it's gonna happen. Okay, so I think I'll end here, but let me try to cover one more or two pairs. US 100 Nasdaq going as we planned. It will happen. Now we are waiting for it to come to the reversal box, or it may truncate. I don't know, but I think it has done enough as we expect it to happen. From this zone, we can get sales from this very area, whether it comes to this pattern, this reversal zone or not. Any sell setup I see, I will take it. SP 500, the same thing. The reversal zone is here. 5,700, 5,900 is the zone. But from here, any sell setup I see or one more time frame, I will take it. Okay, so now nothing much to. Okay, US 30, right? We want to see it come to the reversal box, whether it happens or not. In this very area, any setup I see that is valid, I will sell because it may truncate. Okay, and that's the end of today's video. Okay, so let me go to Bitcoin, BTC USD. Bitcoin. I must be getting them. Bitcoin. Nothing to explain on Bitcoin. Nothing to explain on Bitcoin. Let's go to 4 hours. I said Bitcoin haven't finished. Last time I talked about the Bitcoin, I said that Bitcoin will give us a new high, likely 114,000 before, and it will be the final leg of the bullish market. I said that, I maintain that Bitcoin will give us a new high to make the complete wave. Let me show you the box. This box have been here for how many months? You can see, okay, imagine this is wave 5. Imagine where it was. So let me now shift it. So I have seen it for a long time. That's why I'm encouraging you to join Elliott Wave class. You will relax and be trading because you will know where the market is going, and you will predict it, and 80%, 85%, 90% of the time you will be correct. So I don't know any knowledge that can be sweet as knowing Elliott Wave. Imagine knowing that Bitcoin will go to 118,000, 112,000, maybe a month before it happens. Those who don't know how market works, we be waiting for news. They will say news did this. News does nothing. News will just accelerate. News will serve as a catalyst. Before news come out, we have taken positions. Before news comes out, I have opened my position. So that's the kind of knowledge you will get. Okay, that's the end of the video. Join our Telegram channel, is free. Join my mentorship channel if you wish to join. I can only advise you to learn before you trade. Even if you don't want to learn from me, learn from another person. No need to waste your money. Trading looks easy until you begin to trade. It looks easy, but never easy. It will become easy when you have gotten the knowledge. Thank you, and God bless you. Bye-bye. Good night.